Welcome to my students. Myself Rajranjan Behra. I am lecturing chemistry of Narada Vidyamandir Plus 2 Science College, Borompur. Today I will discuss to the another class of the chemical kinetics. My topic is collision theory. Of reaction rate. According to collision theory, the reactants are made of molecules. According to collision theory, the reactants are considered as a molecule, and also it considers the reactants are sphere. Like any chemical reaction, A gives B. So in case of the collision theory, it involves to the reactant molecules of A to form a product. And also the A is considered to do sphere. The next is these molecules always state in random motion. Which go on collide each other. I A molecules consider reactant. The reactant molecules always in a random motion, so you can be collide each other. Only A molecules, the another molecule is B. Both are concurrent. These molecules, the another molecule is P. Both concurrent collide. Formation from the product formation. Clear? In case number solid level and liquid and gases, which is more collide each other, the gaseous substance is more collide as compared to liquid and solid, due to the gaseous substance are loosely held together. So gaseous molecules always more collide each other as compared liquid and solid. The next point, the number of collision that takes place in a unit volume per second is called collision frequency. This is Z. What is the collision frequency? This reactant molecules A, the another molecules B, but it considers the A molecule like sphere. A molecule would sphere new. The another molecule is B. This is another sphere. The sphere molecules of A and B both are collide each other. That takes place. The sphere is consist of the per unit volume and per second. This called is collision frequency. Per time रे हम कितने वॉल्यूम से ऑक्युपाई करते स्फीयर. This called is collision frequency. Fourth point. In case of the chemical reaction, the collision takes place to chemical reaction, but all internuclear collisions do not chemical the reaction takes place. नाने कोन कहले तम गोटे A molecules and B molecules both collide हेले कोन होते केमिकल रिएक्शन फॉर्मेशन करिए प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन हो मात्र सब जा एटी कोन कोलिजन करले केमिकल रिएक्शन होनी ओनली इफेक्टिव कोलिजन्स only effective collisions to bring about chemical reaction. Complete. Another one A molecules now, B molecules now. A and B both are collide each other, but all internuclear collision. It is not सब particles के well collision रे भाग नहीं होगी. Only effective collisions or chemical reaction takes place. Fifth point. Only effective collisions. It requires to a minimum energy that is threshold energy or and properly oriented. Clear? In case of the effective collisions, it required to a minimum energy. This minimum is equal to threshold energy, and this collision is properly oriented to bring about a chemical reaction. Clear? But in the collision theory, general knock of collision theory, the reactant molecules, the another molecules are both collide each other, but all internuclear do not chemical reaction takes place. Only effective collisions are some effective collisions are involved to chemical reaction. This is called collision theory. Next, failures of collision theory. Like failure for mount position, managara in case of unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Let us consider this molecules A gives product. Nane A molecules is collide to the another molecules, the same molecules of A to gives. It is not aswa A plus A. This is activation equal. This is A star to the effective collisions. This is activation. This step 1. Another step. This is deactivation. This is deactivation. The last step. This last step, chemical reaction kala mon bako the reaction is A gives product. This the molecules is A is collide to the A to form a. This is effective collision. This case is activation. Mon bako any chemical reaction horo activation hoto deactivation hoto. So it reacts it only effective collisions are chemical reaction. Ketara tomoro activation effective collision activation ek chemical reaction re takes place hunti. Managara in a chemical reaction is it takes to some long time. Managara A step second step पर्यंत गला. A step पर्यंत chemical reaction झाला. This is second order acid. The reaction is second order. In case of third step asila, this is first order. Complete. Managara in case of chemical reaction, it takes to some time for the step 1 to step 2. This reaction is second order. In case of step 3, this is first order of reaction. Next is failures of collision theory. It fails to explain at abnormally high value of rate constant. First failure is in case of chemical reaction the rate constant is high value, so it not applicable to collision theory. एटी तमे collision theory आसीबो नहीं. In case of any chemical reaction like rate directly proportional to concentration, the rate is equal to K into concentration. This K value is very high. K value to अधिक electron number एटी collision theory applicable होबनी. Second, it fails to explain to a reversible reaction which shows lower value of K. In case of reversible reaction से केस रे मनरो रेट कांस्टेंट वेरी लो वैल्यू अछि. से केस रे तोर कोन हबो collision theory applicable होबो. थर्ड, if it is not properly oriented when the reactant molecules before collide each other. In case of chemical reaction ना हम starting कोइली कणा. In case of collision टा कोन हमरो properly oriented थियो. In case of properly oriented थियो गोटे रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल जतले कोलाइड कलडो प्रॉपर्ली ओरिएंटेड नथियो सेठी नंबर के कणा collision theory applicable होबो. Properly oriented and equals to the minimum value of energy to applicable to collision theory. There are three failures of collision theory. First failure is in case of rate constant very high is not applicable to collision theory. The second is the lower value of K is not applicable to collision theory, and also the collision properly oriented. Clear the collision theory reaction state. Next, concept of activation energy. Important question note here. This is concept of activation energy. Concept of active energy in case of any chemical reaction is A gives B. In reactant molecules it equal to own energy. It has own energy of reactants is ER. In a chemical reaction, any reactant molecule किसी तारो own energy था. This energy is called ER. It is essential to, it equals to a minimum energy what is the minimum energy? This threshold energy. This is ETH. नहीं in case of तारो own energy ER, in case ताको कौन minimum energy दरकार पड़े ताको हम कहबा threshold energy. If ER is less than ETH, so in case of तुम कौन किसी extra energy दरकार पड़ियो chemical reaction formation पाई ताको हम कौन कहबा activation energy. So what is the activation energy? It is defined as the extra energy required to reactant molecules to attain threshold energy to bring about chemical reaction. It is called activation energy. Like activation energy is equal to threshold energy minus average energy of reactant molecules. Like activation is equal to EA is equal to ETH minus EM. This is called activation energy. And while any chemical reaction own energy is called is ER. Minimum energy required, this is called threshold energy ETH. In case of reactant energy manakaro low reactant molecules own energy less than as compared to the threshold energy. It equals to the activation energy. Is called is activation energy. This is reaction progress. This is energy. This is reactant molecules A which collide. This is activated. This is activated complex. What is the activated complex? The reactant molecules it equals to minimum energy. The molecules it can be activated. These are activated, and this energy is called threshold energy. Threshold energy. For example, like our H2 plus I2 gives 2Hi. In case of H and HR. एटी तुम कौन करियो मिनिमम एनर्जी देलो H2 रे एंड I रे कौन करो मिनिमम एनर्जी दियो मिनिमम देलो कौन बोथ आर कोलाइड ईच अदर both are quality is there, but this state is very unstable, and this is activated complex will go. Activated complex. This unstable stage is called activated complex. It's some A molecules is this A molecules both colloid is there, it can be activated this and to give a product formation. This is product. Clear? मन रखो एक्टिवेटेड कंप्लेक्स होची हाईली अनस्टेबल एटी तो कोना एनी केमिकल एनी मिनिमम एनर्जी से कोन हबो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन हिजु दिस इज एक्टिवेटेड कंप्लेक्स this is E1 and this is E2. This is reactant energy and this is product energy. And this difference is del H. What is the del H? Del H is equal to E2 minus E1. This is forward reaction and this is backward reaction. Backward reaction. Clear? It तम A molecules नबो A molecule किसी तम कम करो minimum energy of this is threshold energy. This A molecule is activated to product activity कौन B formation हो. Clear? मन रखो एटी मनर E2 अछि E2 मनर energy मन high अछि as compared to E1. Like E1 direct कौन अछि एकदम रेडी positive. Positive थ्रो reaction कौन endothermic. Clear? In case of reactant अधिक हेला product कमी जिवो ए केस रे this case del H E2 minus E1 is equal to negative. Product अधिक अछि reactant less अछि से केस से तुम कोन आसीडा exothermic reaction. Complete the concept of activation energy. How in so मन रखो activation energy in case of different temperature पे और different number of activation energy formation हो. Definite temperature पे definite number कोन activation energy थाए. हम मन रखो activation is decide करे तुमर कोन number of effective collisions. केते नंबर activation energy सेही से तुम कोन करियो डिपेंड करियो effective collisions. In case of fast reaction, very fast reaction, it equals to low activation energy. Low activation energy. In case of slow reaction, it equals to high activation energy. We know that connection E is equal to EDH minus ER. In case of fast reaction, their own energy is very high as compared to threshold. Threshold is both कम energy required for fast reaction. Their own energy अधिक ସେଥିପାଇଁ their activation energy quantity low. In case of slow reaction reactant energy कौन कम थिबो minimum energy अधिक दरकार पड़ियो सेठी कौन threshold energy अधिक थाए high activation energy associated. The next is application of activation energy. What are the application of activation energy? For example, manara any reaction either very slow and very high and moderate. How can you find today the reaction is very slow, very high and moderate? Manara in case of activation is manara high activation energy. Seta kon asibo very slow reaction. In case of chemical reaction, manara activation is high, this reaction is very slow. In case of low activation energy, the reaction is very high. Moderate, it kana definite reaction ka definite temperature se kon hoche reaction hoche, this called is moderate reaction. So the first application is the activation energy can decide to the very slow and very high and moderate, and also determine the condition of reaction. It is our minimum energy kete darkar padibo can determine kori paribo. Second is it can also determine the collision frequency. और collision frequency कहते हैं तो fruitful, like तो very slow, very high and moderate. Collision frequency तो कहते हैं तो मेरे determine करके also तो क्या करो activation energy रो find करते हैं. Last is in case of explosive mixture. For example, carbonium H2 formation कौन होते हैं CH4. This is explosive mixture. Explosive mixture किन समय किन find कर परियो due to activation energy. Basically बहुत less activation energy दरकार पड़ो due to highly explosive mixture. There are three applications of activation energy. Clear? Today I discussed the collision theory and this concept of activation energy. One of the important activation energy is important question. 3 mark question is your definition with application question. Then one of what is the activation energy? The activation is defined as the extra energy required to the reactant molecules to attain threshold energy to bring about a chemical reaction. This called is activation energy. And also one of very fast reaction low activation energy. Very slow reaction it equals to high activation energy. Complete. So today topic is over. So next class I will discuss. Thank you.